Number 13, Mr. All coming from the three-point line right now. Oh shit, that nigga's in there. He's in there. He's sucking at his neck. He gon' beat that fucking We gon' kick your dough. 1, 2, 3, and 4, you hit out. Murder, what's he from? Saw him in my scope, I'm about to from page to the post. He ain't kidding, no, that nigga die. Lock up at your door, let me in, bitch, I'm gon' need that neck. Fuck you talking, folks, stay up on that bitch. Don't get pressed, I might take your help. Give it go, pass it to my left. And that fire toe, lethal weapon, it rip through your chest. First she got a big ol' booty, told that bitch gon' make it bounce. I'ma get up in that coochie, kill the cat and dog her out. They gon' hurt when I hurt, cause they know what I'm about. Ticket wicked on his side, I suggest a different route. Hold the fuck up, nigga. Hold the fuck up, nigga. Steps in this bitch, break necks in this bitch, kill tech in this bitch, shout out X in this bitch. Give a fuck about